Hi, I'm Anna and I'm the Curator of Education at the museum. And I'm here with Annabelle and Charlotte. And today we're going to be dissecting owl pellets. So in your bag you should have an owl pellet that is wrapped in aluminum foil. These have been baked so they're sanitized, but we do still want to be careful about touching our face while we are doing our dissection, and definitely wash your hands after. You're also going to have some skewers that you can use to pull some of the pieces apart. You'll see that we're going to be using that today. And if you have tweezers at home, you can use tweezers as well. You also are going to have some pieces of paper that look like this. These are your bone charts. This is what you're going to use to help identify the bones that you find within your owl pellet. So ladies, we are going to dissect these owl pellets. Now what's an owl pellet?
An owl pellet is when an owl throws up.
Yeah, exactly. So it's kind of like when a cat will cough up a hairball. It coughs up all the stuff that its body can't digest. What kind of things do you think owls eat?
Owls eat like birds, rodents, mice.
Mice, definitely lots of mice.
They sometimes eat other owls.
They will sometimes eat other owls, exactly. Yeah, so when the owl eats one of those things, like let's say an owl eats a mouse, its body is going to digest the stuff that it wants, you know, the meat part, and then what's left is going to be hair and bones, and if it's a bird, the beak, and it'll then cough that back up. And so it's a owl pellet, and scientists use this to figure out what the owls eat. So to start with, we're going to take our pellets out of the aluminum foil, which we've already done. We are going to use our tools that we have in front of us to see what kinds of things we can find. Do y'all have some bones that y'all can already see?
Yeah. I already found this. It looks like a beak, so my owl ate a bird probably.
Maybe.
Look,
I have
right here.
all of these that we can look at. So we can figure out what type of animal it came from looking at. Let's
Probably
see.
that one.
You think it's that one? It looks a little big for that. It may be this one right here. So what does that mean?
It means it's a rodent.
A rodent. Good job. Now, an owl may have multiple different things that it eats for dinner. So you may find several different animal bones in one owl pellet. Sometimes you'll only find one thing. Depends on what their meal was. So this is how scientists figure out what kinds of things live in an area. Most of the time when you go through an owl pellet, what you're going to find are pieces of a rodent. So this is a rodent, and what's really cool about their teeth is they're going to go all the way back into the skull. They like to chew on things, and their teeth, that orange coating is what makes their teeth strong. Like if you went and you just started chewing on a tree over there, what would happen to your teeth?
They'd probably break.
They'd probably break. So the orange coating helps it so their teeth don't break. This animal, looking at its teeth, since they're sharp, do you think it ate plants or meat?
Plants.
You think plants?
They're red.
They are red.
Meat or plants?
This animal would have eaten meat, because see, it has the sharp teeth. So for meat, you need to be able, like think about like when you eat a steak. You know,
You have to use like your back teeth.
yeah, you have to use your, and we have flat teeth and pointy teeth. Like coyote has pointy teeth because they eat meat. They need to be able to tear into it. So the pointy teeth, it's an animal that's going to eat meat, and flat teeth are animals that eat plants. So what are some facts that y'all know about owls? What are some things that y'all know about owls?
They have very good sight.
They have very good sight.
They're nocturnal.
They are nocturnal. So what does it mean if something's nocturnal? What does that word mean? Like if I was nocturnal,
you would stay up at night.
Stay up at night. What are some other things you know about owls?
They're really good at hunting.
Yes, they're very good at hunting. You know, they have special wings so that they can fly without other things hearing them.
No.
Yeah. They have, on their wings, it is like fringes on the end of their feathers so that you can't hear when they fly. They're silent flyers. Well, ladies, thank y'all for helping me with this owl pellet dissection. This was fun.
Yeah. Thank you.